Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. So in order to make free quizzes on GoConqr.com, all you have to do is make an account, which is also free. Once you log into your account, just click on this create button, which is on the left hand side corner on the top of the page. Just click on create. It's going to give you a few options. Select the second last option, and that is quiz. Tap on quiz or click on quiz, and it's going to show you your quiz area. So after reaching here, first thing we will do is that we will change the name of the quiz. So we're going to change the title. We're going to call it test quiz. And here you can select a subject. If you already have a subject, you can pick that. Otherwise, you can create a new subject and assign the quiz to that subject. It makes it easier. And then if you want to add some description that this is a course by this person or that person and the language and any other details, you can add them here. That's it. Rest, leave them as is. And then inshallah, once you're sorted, just click on save and it's done. So now you can see the title has been changed. So because it's a free account, you will see these interruptions. Doesn't matter. Just scroll down and say no thanks, I don't mind the interruption. And that's it. It's gone. So now click on insert question. It's going to give you a few options. What kind of question do you want? Is it a multiple choice question, check boxes, or true or false? These three are free. The rest of them are for the premium account or the paid account. So we're going to stick to these three. They're enough for us anyways. So we're going to go for multiple choice. Multiple choice means only one answer can be correct, not more than that. So here you're going to enter your question. And if you want to add more options, just click on this here or the plus here. And whichever option is correct, just select this here. That's it. The rest of them, you're going to leave them blank. You can't even select more than one in this type of category, so don't need to worry about it. If you want to add some explanation for the answer, you can do. Otherwise, you're just done with this question. Just click on save. It is, alhamdulillah, saved. Once it is saved, now you can add another question. And this is how you can add many questions. All your questions are going to be in the sidebar. If you don't like the sidebar, you can hide it. If you don't want to hide it, you can show it. Right? So once your quiz is done, so let's say your quiz is done, you just wanted to make one question, you're just going to close it. When you close the resource, it's going to show your recently edited resources right here on top. You don't have to go here and there to find it. Just click on it, and inshallah, the moment you click on it, it's going to show you your quiz in this way. So in order to share this URL with anyone, you will make a few changes. So the users and the students, they don't get to see all of this extra information, and they just see the questions. So come here and do a few things. So you're going to remove anything which comes after this number. Make sure the number stays intact. So from here onwards, you're going to remove it. Don't hit enter yet. Change the quiz into P and hit enter. That's it. It's going to show the quiz like this. First, remove anything after this longer number, including this slash, backward slash. Take everything and remove, and change the quiz word into P word. That's it. And hit enter. So it's going to give you the quiz just like this without any extras. So this is it. You're ready. Now you can copy this URL and give it to anyone. This is your test quiz. So this is how you make your quiz and share with your users. Barakallahu feekum. Take care. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.